Here's how I went from getting fired at 50 to making 10K a month in digital marketing in just 90 days. Let me tell you something crazy. I was a sales manager for 27 years until they called me into the office that morning. "We're going in a different direction," they said. "Code for you're too old." I was devastated, 50 years old, bills to pay, and suddenly unemployed. But here's where it gets interesting. I discovered this new way to learn digital marketing, specifically designed for people over 40. No confusing tech stuff, no complicated jargon, just step-by-step guidance. The crazy part? Within 30 days, I landed my first client, paying me $2,000 a month by day. 60. I had 3 more clients, and at day 90, I was making more than in my old job. But here's what really blew my mind. The skills that everyone said were for young people, my age gave me an advantage. Why? Because I understood something. These tech-savvy kids didn't. How to actually talk to business owners. Now I help other professionals over 40 do the same thing. No technical background needed. The question is, will you let your age stop you, or will you use it as your secret weapon?